How to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can get voice chat on Roblox mobile. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Roblox app on your phone. Now you want to tap on the option of three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here you want to select settings. Now tap on account info. To use voice chat, you must be 13 or older. Make sure your email and phone number are both verified. This can sometimes unlock voice chat without ID verification. If you don't see the voice chat option yet, go back and tap on verify my age. You need a valid ID such as your driver's license, passport, or ID card. Tap start session, allow camera access, and take clear photos of your ID's front and back. Then take a selfie to confirm your identity. Once verified, go back to Roblox and you'll see age verified on your account. Now you can open settings, privacy, and you'll see the option to enable voice chat. Toggle it on and enable it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.